Hello everyone, today we will focus on Universal Soldier. No, not the film with Jean-Claude Van Damme, we will talk about drones. These little flyers are able to perform a lot more than you can imagine. They can make films, be waiters, help you with fishing. Drones can be killers and also save your life. By the way, one famous drone starred in a porno movie. And today we have top 15 damn brilliant ways of using drones. Pizza delivery. Almost 3 months later, the world's first commercial drone pizza delivery has finally become a reality. Domino's Pizza Enterprises delivered one peppery chicken pizza and another chicken and cranberry pizza Thursday morning local time to a customer in Whangaparoa, north of Auckland, New Zealand. Experts believe that the drones are the future is not only for pizza delivering, but also for large companies like Amazon. The Human Torch drone. For the Fantastic Four movie, viral marketing firm ThinkModo created what appears to be a flying, burning human torch, just like the comic book superhero. Take a look at the video. The flights took place at a training facility for firefighters, many of whom were on hand to put out the burning human torch and the other pyrotechnics used in the video. So the drone was able to portray Johnny Storm of the Fantastic Four. So what's next? Drone killer. Video of a DIY pistol shooting quadcopter firing off a few test rounds in the woods. Now federal agents are investigating the 18-year-old Connecticut kid who reportedly built the thing. Police found that the video was uploaded by one Austin Hofwout. The video, which has already accumulated 1.6 million views, shows a drone with 4 small rotors supporting a handgun, which fires 3 rounds. The recoil from each shot thrusts the drone backward, but the gun remains stable. Drones for true fans. Star Wars battle drones make you a starfighter pilot. Propel's new Star Wars battle quad drones put high-flying combat in the palm of your hand. You can fly 3 ships from the Star Wars saga, the 74Z speeder bike, T-65 X-Wing starfighter, and the TIE Advanced X-1. Drones are operable up to 200 feet away, but with just 6 minutes of battery life, the battles won't last as long as those in space. But anyway, it looks pretty cool. For the super lazy. Chris Early uses an eye in the sky to watch his young daughter. Early is a techie who owns a video production company in Knoxville, Tennessee. At 8 years old, it was time for his daughter Katie to walk to school by herself. Chris says the drone watching was an experiment and he won't do it every day. The next is A-born driver. With drones you can drive a car in third person just like a video game. It looks and feels very much like a video game. So let's take a look at the video. Weapons for art or vandalism. Last month, the notorious graffiti artist Katsu caught a tag that had until then been pretty much unimaginable. Using a modified drone equipped with a spray can, he painted a series of gestural red lines on one of the largest and most prominent billboards in New York City, right across the face of Kendall Jenner, no less. Espionage. Probably one of the biggest fears about the drone is the penetration to our private lives. Most of the US military drones devoted to monitoring. A user with the nickname YAOG used the drone just this way. He saw how his wife was cheating on him with the help of drones. Porn drone. That fear is the impetus behind one of the world's first drone-shot pornographic films. We wanted to explore the whole idea of drone privacy and strikes, this idea of make porn, not war. Brandon Lengang, one of the Brooklyn-based filmmakers behind Drone Boning, told. Fishing with drones. Get excited, there's good news. You don't have to kayak out to fish anymore. Quadcopters have made it onto the fishing scene as an enabling technology to basically cast your line out really far. You will use it to transport the line and bait to the location you want to fish, and then you can control it back. This allows you to reach places that you normally could not with just you and your rod. Most people have been using drones for surf fishing, but you can use this technique for fishing wherever you want. Fly the bait out to wherever the drop location is. Once you're there, lock your reel and fly the drone out until the tension pops the release clip. Ideal for professional filmmakers. This is what the leading manufacturer drone DJI did on Sunday when his new drone Matrix 600, also known as M600, through an inspirational video on YouTube was presented. The video shows the ability of the drone to move film cameras high-end at angles that provide much more immersive and dynamic visual effects of the film. Also has a controller which works synchronously with Lightbridge 2 advanced video transmission, allowing it to produce HD live streaming from as far as 5 kilometers away. Can this little bird save your life? Around 800 people suffer a cardiac arrest in the European Union every year, and only 8% survive. A Dutch student has revealed a prototype ambulance drone, a flying defibrillator able to reach heart attack victims within precious life-saving minutes. Developed by engineering graduate Alec Momont, it can fly at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. The ambulance drone can get a defibrillator to a patient within a 12 square kilometer zone within a minute, increasing the chance of survival from 8 to 80%. For communication, Facebook has made no bones about wanting to blanket the planet with internet connectivity, and it's developed a huge solar-powered aircraft to help it do so. The unmanned aircraft, called Aquila, has the wingspan of a Boeing 737. Aquila will be responsible for beaming internet signals back to rural areas on Earth that lack the kind of communications infrastructure needed to maintain internet connectivity. Aquila's wings are made of a type of material called carbon fiber. While in the air, Aquila will be responsible for providing the internet to people on Earth in a 50-kilometer radius. In future, that type of drone can provide all the people with internet connection. EHang 184. It's basically a manned version of a traditionally multi-copter UAV called EHang 184 that provides means of personal transportation for a single passenger weighing not more than 100 kilograms or 220 pounds. A system similar to waypoint flying in UAVs that simply takes you to a desired location by just clicking on it on Google Maps sounds great. According to reports, the 184 will cost between $200,000 and $300,000. I think this type of drone can be used as a vehicle in the measurable future. And the last one is Velociraptor VC200. Is this the future of commuting? Watch the first manned flight of the Velociraptor personal drone with 18 rotors. With passenger in tow, the Velociraptor VC200 took to the skies for a 3-minute voyage using its 18 gently humming rotors. It is definitely a sublime feeling to lift off, fly the first few meters, and then actually take my hand off the joystick and think that, yeah, it's really as if I'm standing on the ground, and then I look down and there are 20 to 25 meters beneath me, said a pilot. So that was top 15 the best way of using drones. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.